Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the nomenclature, common name and IUPAC name of amines. Okay, as we know that here amines are the derivative of ammonia. Okay, and here amines are classified into primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Here are R2NH and R3NH, where these R are similar or different, alkyl or aryl groups also. Okay, so here we are going to start the nomenclature of amines. In the nomenclature of amines, first we are going to start here common name of amines. Okay, so the common name of amine is obtained from the name of the alkyl group followed by the suffix amine, means here alkyl amine in case of primary amine. Okay, but in case of secondary and tertiary amine, if the alkyl group are same, means for the symmetrical amine, then it is called as dialkylamine or here trialkylamine. Okay, and if in secondary and tertiary amine these alkyl groups are different, means in case of the unsymmetrical amine. So in case of unsymmetrical amine, these alkyl groups, they are arranged alphabetically followed by the suffix amine. Okay, for example here C2H5NH2, this is primary amine, ethylamine. Okay, here CH3 and CH3H, here dimethyl amine. Here CH3 and C2H5. Now these two alkyl groups are different. Then arrange them alphabetically, ethyl methyl amine. Okay, in case of tri, here N, CH3. Now here three methyl group, they are the similar groups, so they are called as a trimethyl amine. If one is different, here C2H5, then ethyl dimethyl amine. If three are different, then ethyl methyl propyl amine, in this way. Okay, so these are the common name. After that, IUPAC name, means the rules of IUPAC name. That second one, IUPAC name. IUPAC name means what is the long form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay. So according to IUPAC system, here the amines are writing first with the alkane, means it is the derivative of alkene. Okay. Now here ending E gets replaced by amine. So it is called as a alkanamine, means from the alkane. In the spelling of alkane, E gets replaced by amine and the one word, that is alkanamine, is written. Okay. So in case of secondary and tertiary amine, it is considered as an substituents of the parent's alkane, means n substituents of the alkyl amine. For example, here if CH3N and here C2H5. Now larger alkyl group with nitrogen considered as a amine, parent amine, and this alkyl group, it is considered as an substituent, similar in a tertiary alkyl. For example, here the name is and this is methyl and then ethanamine. So its name is N-methyl-ethanamine. One thing is, remember that here the word alkanamine, ethanamine, methanamine, propanamine, butanamine, it is a single word, not a alkyl and amine, ethane and amine, not. Okay. So these are the complete words. So here alkanamine. So here it is a one word, ethanamine. Okay, so we are consider some examples of amine. See here, CH3NH2, then C2H5NH2, then CH3CCH3, here NH2CH3, then CH3CCH3 NH2, okay, then CH3CCH2, again CH2 and NH2. Again, in case of aromatic amine, so here aromatic amine, that is, this is the aniline. Common name of this amine is aniline, and IUPAC name accepted this name of this compound as a aniline. Okay, or it is also called as a benzamine. So here this is aniline or benzamine, or it is a derivative, means if the alkyl groups are present on the nitrogen or other, okay, so it is considered as the derivative of aniline. Okay, so here this is, then NH2, here NH2, okay. Okay, so one CH3 and here CH3, CH3, then CH3 and C2H5, C2H5, C2H5 and C3H7 and CH3. Okay, now first common name and then IUPAC name. The common name of these amines are written as a alkyl and amine. Okay, if in case of secondary, then arrange them alphabetically. Tertiary, arrange them alphabetically, and if they are the same, then di or tri-alkyl amine. Okay, so here the common name of this is methylamine. Methylamine. This is ethylamine. Now this is NH2 attached to this, and this is a tertiary carbon. So here tertiary butylamine. This is name of amine is tertiary, starting from tertiary, but it is an example of primary. Okay, why? Because here only one hydrogen atom of ammonia gets replaced by only one alkyl group. Okay, then here isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine. This is N-propylamine. N-propylamine. Okay, this is aromatic amine, and the common name is aniline. This is cyclohexyl group. This is just look like a benzene, but this is the aliphatic, and cycloalkyl group is present, and therefore it is cyclohexyl, and the suffix is amine. Okay, and here means this is secondary, so here methyl and this is phenyl, but it is called as methyl phenylamine, or it is a aniline. So here methyl, so methyl aniline means N, here methyl and aniline. It is also called as phenyl, methyl phenyl aniline. Next one, that is here ethyl phenyl aniline. Ethyl phenyl aniline. Ethyl phenyl aniline, or ethyl aniline. Next, these are the tertiary amine. So here trimethyl aniline. Trimethyl aniline. This is 2 ethyl group methyl. So here diethyl methyl aniline. Diethyl methyl aniline. And here all three are different, and therefore ethyl methyl propyl aniline. Ethyl, then methyl propyl aniline. Okay, these are the common names. Now start with IUPAC name. IUPAC name of this, here methane, methane. Okay, and according to rule, here E is replaced by amine, so it is methanamine. This is ethanamine. Ethanamine. Here the longest chain is 3. Then use the lowest locant, rule of locant. So here 1, 2, 3. At the 2 there is a methyl. So here 2 methyl, 2 propanamine. 2 methyl, 2 propanamine. Here 1, 2, 3. Here at the 2 there is a amine. So here 2 propanamine. 2 propanamine. Here 1 propanamine. 1 propanamine. Okay. This is as it is aniline, or it is also called as benzene and amine. Therefore here benzamine. Okay. So it is aniline or benzamine. This is cyclohexanamine. Cyclo, here hexane, and E is replaced by amine. Cyclohexanamine. Now this is phenyl methanamine. Okay, so this is phenyl and phenyl methanamine. This is similar to that. Here and phenyl ethanamine. Ethanamine. These are the 3. So trimethanamine. Trimethanamine. These are 2 alkyl group are considered as a substituent, and one is larger group is considered as a alkane. So the name of this compound is ethyl methyl, and this is ethanamine. So here ethyl methyl ethanamine. Ethyl methyl ethanamine, and this is ethyl methyl propanamine. Okay. So these are the nomenclatures of amine. See here. Okay. So after that, here after watching this video, attempt the following questions. And questions, all questions are related to the nomenclatures of amine. So first question. Draw structure and give IUPAC name of following. A. Tertiary pentyl amine. Just like butylamine, tertiary pentylamine, it is an example of primary amine. Okay. B. Neopentylamine. B. Isobutylamine. D. Ethyl methylamine. E. Ethyl isopropyl amine. Okay. Question number 2. give common and IUPAC name of following structures. Okay, and the first structure B see here, this is not a benzene, this is a cyclohexane. Okay. This is C2H5. Okay. They give the name, common name and IUPAC name. And here draw structure and give IUPAC name of the given amines.